Hello everyone. So as we know that because of the Trump tariff, the market is falling and today S&P 500 and Nasdaq 100 both were down. So I wanted to discuss that what strategy currently I am following in my investment, and you guys can comment that what do you feel about my strategy. So I was doing dollar cost averaging from such a long time. I was investing monthly like $2,000, and I'm thinking to continue that strategy. I'll still like do dollar cost averaging, but on top of that I'll also do the extra buying. So suppose if the market is down by 2%, then I'll buy probably like $300 of share. If market is down by 5%, then I can buy like $500 of shares. So I'm just thinking that if market is down by more, then I'll buy more, and that's what I am thinking. Because what I think in the long run, market have to go up, and it will go up. And it's like, it's like a sale in the Walmart. When there is a sale in the Walmart, then we buy stuff more, right? So that's how I am feeling now. So let me know your strategy in the comment, and thank you so much for watching this video.